The Continental Refrigerator Configurator is a new tool available on ContinentalRefrigerator.com. This free and easy-to-use tool is available on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Each of our product lines will be its own configurator. There are two different ways to get to our configurators. You can use the top navigation on our website to take you to the main page for configurators, or you can use the carousel on our homepage to get directly to the product line you are interested in. The main configurator page will give a brief description of the product line, such as sizes, options, and accessories. Once you decide which product family you want, you can begin designing. The configurator has multiple ways to make a unit your own. You can change sizes, compressor location, add different lids, overshelves, and other options and accessories. If a unit has multiple sections, you can configure doors and drawers by section as well. Units are able to be shown with a door or drawer open or closed, see-through vision panel lids, and get a full 360-degree view of your creation. Once you have finished creating, you can submit your configuration. A form will appear for you to fill out with your information. There is a notes section as well for any additional questions. Just because you do not see something on the configurator does not mean we can't do it. Reach out to us with any questions or ideas, and we can get with our engineering team to see if it can be done. You can also choose to have a representative from Continental follow up with you after submitting for any additional questions you may have. Once submitted, an email will come to you with a photo of your configuration, a breakdown of all the options you chose, and an option to download Revit files. Visit our website at continentalrefrigerator.com to start configuring today.